Hi over there and welcome to this YouTube clip. Obviously it's on YouTube, Julia, what the hell. Hi over there, welcome to this clip. My name is Julia and in today's clip I'm gonna unbox the monthly Birchbox that I'm subscribed to. This month is June. So there's nothing much to say unless the fact that this is an unboxing. So basically it's me not having any clue what I got inside the box. I never check, so I can see my reaction, if it's worth it, and it's fun to me at least. And I do also upload the reviewing versions of the month box, where I get the box of each month and I do review it. I'm still behind with free boxes, but they are coming because it just takes some time with some products in particular to test them out. Sometimes I don't have time. Yeah, it's just they're still coming because I do think they're quite interesting because they're products that not too many people talk about them. So yeah, let's just jump in. Summer is here. It looks really cool and it's in collaboration with Paper Chase. I do actually love Paper Chase. I have some agendas from them. They are quite expensive, not gonna lie, but they're really nice and they're really smart made. So let's just see. I'm excited. If they gave me something from, like, I don't know, even stickers, I'm gonna be really happy. So this is the leaflet and here are the products. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is from Rituals because yes, oh my god, they said we're gonna get some stuff from Benefit. Okay, I'm starting with this bad boy. This is the brow gel. Yes, give me brow. Is it the tinted one? Please tell me it is. Please tell me it is. Is it? Oh no, it's the tinted one. Yes. This is so good because basically sometimes they tell you at the end to choose from one particular brand. They have two products, you choose them, whatever. But this time they were like, oh, it's gonna be a surprise from Benefit Brow and stuff like that. And I was hoping so badly to get this one because I got it before. I tried it, I tested it out, and it's such a good brow product. Like, it's not too intense, it doesn't put too much product on your brows, natural, full. It's just like, it's just one product that I never understood why it's so expensive. But I got this magazine, I think it was Glamour or something like that. They gave you, sometimes they do give samples from Benefit, and one time I got one of these and I loved it. I just used it up. I still have the tiny packaging. It looked better from the magazine than this one. This is a more like plasticky sort of one, but no, I'm not mad. I'm just happy with the product inside, so yay, love it. I'm so glad. The Benefit Give Me Brow gel thingy, it's 21 pounds. That is pricey, but I swear to god, when I'll get a job and I'll have my own money, I would actually invest in it because it's just, I don't know, it's something about it that I never encountered in any other product. There was only one eyebrow kind of a tinted gel thing that I really loved, and I thought it's a bit similar to this one, not as good as this one because it was really cheap, but they discontinued it. You can't find it anymore. So obviously it had to happen. Everything I love, it's being discontinued all the goddamn time. Now I'm pretty sure that's what I was trying to say. This is from Rituals. I got before a product from them. It was a skincare kind of a lotion. I think this is a it's a body cream. Let's see how it smells because I'm really happy with the one I got before, and they are decent sizing. I'm glad. Like, I like this one more than the other one I got. I got one in like a red bottle. That one smells good too, but it just smells very strong, while this is more of a gentle sort of a smell. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna love this one because if it's the same formula like the one I got before, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. It's just, it gets quick into your skin, and I just don't have that problem where basically if I take a shower in the morning and I just put some lotion on my body, it's gonna be a struggle to put the jeans on me. No, it's not happening. Like, that is, it's just no, it's not happening, which I definitely love. But yeah, this one from Rituals, it is 20 quid as well. 19 quid, 19 pounds, 18.50, around 19. Ooh, I got another Lauritzis thing. It's a lipsticks. I guess it's a lip liner. I had ooh, no, it's a, oh, it's an actual, I'm pretty sure it's a lipstick. Decent, like I really love how it looks. And does it, okay, I don't understand how it, I'm not quite sure how you would unscrew it to make it like come out. Yeah, that I'm confused because I had something like this before and I never understood how you get the product out when you finish it. But let's see the shade. I got a lip liner last time, the same shade, so I'm glad the lipstick it's actually the same kind of a shade, because I realized I don't have a lipstick that kind of a shade. If I'm saying that kind of a shade again, I'm gonna go crazy. But it's just, I'm always confused as to how to get the product out. Do you have to, you know, use the tiny kind of like pencil sharpeners, or I'm just gonna Google that because I never understood how. I'm really happy with the lipstick I got before from this brand, so I'm having high hopes for this one too. But yeah, nice. It's a lip product that I don't have the shade of. Fine by me. This lipstick, it retails for 20 pounds. I do feel this with Lauritzis, they are quite pricey products. I do love the lipstick that I had before. It's just, I mean, it's a really love-hate relationship towards the price, just because, for example, if I'm buying a lipstick from Jeffree Star, I never say 18 quid, it's expensive. So, you know, it kind of like makes me really think of how the internet works around our expectations to some extent. If you don't hear about a brand, you would expect to be a bit cheaper and like not, I mean, I don't know, it's just the first time when I heard it's quite pricey, I was like, oh wow, that's really high price. But in reality, I do pay sometimes 18 pounds for a lipstick, and guess what, if it's going to be as good as the other one I've tried from them, yeah, I think it will be worth it. But we will see, we'll have to put it to the test. It looks promising, but yeah, it is 20 pounds. 20 pounds. Now I'm having, again, another product from Mika. I had one in my first ever box. This is Bust Your Bras Cool Blonde Shampoo. Oh, I think it's the, yeah, the ultraviolet kind of a thing. Okay, yeah. Smells nice. I do use this kind of a shampoo sometimes because I feel they just kind of give me a more grayish undertone to my hair. So yeah, I'm really interested in trying this one because I saw so many USA influencers raving about Mika, so I'm definitely keen on trying more because I feel in the UK people don't talk too much about it. This Mika Bust Your Bras, it is 18 pounds, but it is a big size. It looks like a big size. It is 18 pounds. I mean, I will see. I will see if it's good, if it does something different than the ones I tried before. I also got Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask for the under eye. I'm really excited because I feel sometimes these kind of a product are quite pricey. So, you know, I would rather try them for cheap. It's just only one pair of this kind of type I found in Birchbox. Really nice. I forgot what brand was it, but I'm just gonna leave, I think, a link down below or something like that, so you have an idea what I'm talking about. Those were the ones that I was like, oh yeah, I would pay actually 6 quid or something like that on them because they were like really soaked in and nice and so on and so forth. So yeah, gonna see how these ones are because most of the times they kind of disappoint me. I hope they won't because they look very luxurious and nice. So yeah, this one that I said it looks really fancy, it is 20 pounds, but like a baggage claim. Okay, it looks like you would get maybe around 7, like it's like a stash in the picture, so it looks like 7 or 6, something like that. I can't remember because it's a really tiny small image. you can't properly see, and I'm also blind because I don't have my contact lenses in. But yeah, I think this is quite pricey. I said before, it looks bougie, so I wasn't expecting it to be too cheap. But no, I think this is the one box that is the most expensive one I had before, like comparing to the other ones I had. Okay, so when it comes to paper chase, they gave me some discount codes for 20% off, and they gave me 2 discount codes. I'm actually gonna leave the one I have in the description down below. Maybe someone's gonna use it. But yeah, I mean it's decent. I thought they were gonna give me some stickers or something like that. But I'm glad, even with the 20% off. Although I'm sad because I bought myself an agenda for 2019/20, but it's fine. And again, the classic shredded paper. I think they put shredded paper so the product won't go around back and forth. I'm glad I didn't go downstairs to recycle my boxes. I have, especially, you know, I'm trying to recycle as much as I can. So I'm gonna recycle this one too, because as cute as it is, and I think it would be nice if I'll have to do a, you know, gift to someone really soon. It would be nice to just shove these ones in a box or something like that, but that's not happening, so I'm gonna recycle them. But yeah, I know these clips are really quick and short, but I just enjoy seeing what people get in these boxes, if they get the same things, and so on and so forth. So I do hope this was useful. If you're also thinking about getting yourself a Birchbox box, there's a link down below with discount code for your first box. Everybody from Birchbox gets it. It's not only me, it's every single person who gets like a subscription from them. You get like £5 off your first box. So if you want to use it, fine. If not, then fine by me. I do get £5 back if you use my code, but it's not the end of the world if you don't use it. It's just, you know, win-win situation, because I would get to buy more products to review on this channel. But yeah, that is it from me for today. I hope this was useful and you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you in the next one. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.